Hey, welcome back to Day and Night Studio. Let's solve a problem that has been a problem for many, many years. Way before I was teaching art, artists have had trouble placing the eyes correctly together. They need to be about one eye apart, and then when you get them spaced right, even placing the iris and the pupil in a manner that's proportionate to the rest of the face can be another huge struggle. So I want to help you guys solve both of those problems once and for all, and in a way that is super easy. So let's get started right now. Start out with an anchor line, as usual, really lightly though. Trace that coin. I'm using a dime on the lower left, then on the lower right. These first two circles that are hinged on our anchor line are going to be our eye spacers. So draw them really lightly because we are going to erase what we just did, but we need it there to hold the place. All right, one more out to the right, another, and then another. These three circles are going to be the place where we put an eye. Okay, and then three more on the left for our left eye. See where the number 2 is? We're going to put a little circle inside there to make those number 2 ones into a donut. So we just drew the pupil. Put a little triangle out to the right of the number 2. And then this other triangle is going to be kind of droopy. And if that number 1 circle were a clock, it would kind of point to the 6 o'clock. Do the same thing on the opposite side to the other eye. Okay, now all the little circles that we traced in order to get our irises and pupils the right distance, they have to disappear. So we basically have the framework for the eye, and that is about as easy as I have found to make it, and it's fairly consistent. When my students use this method, they're set up pretty well for success. Let's solve one more problem though before we're done. Let's get the eyebrows the correct distance away from the eyelid. I use the coin as a spacer here as well, and kind of hook the end of the eyebrow over it, and then let it kind of tilt downwards towards the nose, where the nose would be. And then the eyebrow ends just above the tear duct. This will help you make sure you don't get the eyebrow too close to the eye or like on the eyelid. It does happen quite a bit, or too far up. So sometimes that seems like a vague area to students. They don't really know where to put that eyebrow. Where should it start? Where should it stop? There you go. And now you can erase your anchor lines. Make sure they weren't too dark. They should erase really easily. You can look at another video that I've made. It's on drawing the eyes as a set, and it will take this set of eyes into a finished, completed, realistic drawing. But if not, you have what you need to draw eyes correctly every single time. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you at the next video.